Under the livestock law, we're allowed to take the vehicle.
That's not a law, sir.
It is not, ma'am?
No.
And at what point, how did you determine that it's not a law?
Livestock is a program, correct?
Okay. And it's a legal tool for us to seize vehicles that aren't registered from license from.
This is a car. This is not a vehicle.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
traveling. I have a
car is not a vehicle.
No, it's not. It's two different terms. One is the legal term that you guys use when you're trying to do this.
Well, here's it, ma'am. Whatever arguments you have, you determine with a judge.
I'm not signing anything.
You don't have to sign
I'm
anything.
not consenting to anything either. You're violating my natural rights.
Okay, well, it's something you'll have to take up with a judge, ma'am.
No, it's not.
Just let them.
No, I don't have to consent to anything.
Well, we're not asking you to consent to anything.
You are, because I'm under duress. You all have guns. I'm outnumbered. You have your lights flashing. You're trying to force me into a contract to sign a piece of paper so that he could take my car away. I'm not signing anything.
Okay, well, that's fine. You don't have to sign anything.
I didn't break any laws.
But we're going to ask.
And I asked for you guys' delegation of authority orders. You have yet to produce it.
Ma'am, we're going to ask you to exit the vehicle, please.
Can you please produce your delegation of authority order?
Just exit the vehicle.
Nazir,
This is not a vehicle, Nazir. It's a car.
Ma'am, would you mind exiting your vehicle, please?
Why do I need
Get
to
out
exit?
the car.
Nazir, shut
The
up.
livestock program, as you so say, we have the legal authority to take this vehicle. So whether you consider it a program,
But I have to consent.
No,
I do not
to it.
consent.
The state gives us the authority, ma'am.
The state has to be here to take my car.
The state
is a private corporation.
The state is not a private corporation.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am. It is a
In law, it is, sir.
Okay, well listen. All of this you could discuss with a judge at any point down
Why
the
do
line.
I need to discuss it with the judge? I'm serious.
Well,
I'm just asking questions.
Because you're talking about legal terms and you're talking about specifics.
You're trying to force me into a contract and take my property.
Ma'am, when you sign for a driver's license, you voluntarily enter into a contract with the Commonwealth.
Okay, so what
you already,
gives...
Miss, you already entered into the agreement that you will be bound by the driver's code and all laws that refer to vehicles or cars or whatever term you want to use, ma'am.
That's not true.
Again, that's something you discuss with an attorney and a judge.
I have to sign my signature for you to take my car.
You could refuse to sign. You're allowed to refuse to sign.
I do not consent to anything.
But again, we're not making you sign. You
have to sign it in order for me to for you guys to take it.
You can refuse
You're
to sign.
forcing me into a contract.
No, I'm not.
You are attempting to.
You can refuse to sign.
I refuse to consent. I don't consent.
You can refuse to sign. Okay? So
I do not consent. I asked for your delegation of authority order.
So I'm going to ask you to please exit the vehicle, ma'am.
Do you have a delegation of authority order?
Please exit the vehicle.
What law have I broken, sir?
Just exit the vehicle.
Yes.
Are you going to cooperate?
Go.
Nazir, stop.
Nazir, can you stop?
You have a license? Yes, we have a license. No. So you're choosing not to cooperate with us?
I'm asking you, why do I need to exit the vehicle? Can you answer that for me?
If you exit the vehicle, I'll do my best to answer any questions.
Okay, so if I exit the vehicle, you're going to force me into a contract and take my car?
I am not forcing you into a contract.
You're attempting to.
No, I'm not.
I feel threatened. You have a gun.
Why are you feeling threatened?
Because look how you're standing there.
Let me ask you a question, ma'am. When you need help, who do you call?
Not you.
I don't call the police.
Who do you call?
I don't call the police.
Well, okay.